Hello teachers, my name is Christy Carter, and if you've landed on this page, chances are you're probably looking for another way to make a substantial income from home. I know how you feel. A lot of my teaching friends are literally exhausted. They are grading papers until midnight, until their eyes are bloodshot, and they just don't know what the other alternatives are. Well, I'm here to educate you about that. I put together a free Teachers Freedom Report that will show you all your options, all the tools that you need to make a great income from home. I really care about teachers. I think they do such a great service to our community, but they're just not getting the pay that they deserve. So here you are, you have an alternative source of making a substantial income. You can keep your teaching job if you want or not. So it's up to you, it's all your choice. All you have to do is fill in your name and your email next to me, and you'll have instant access to this free Teachers Freedom Report.